What if the people closest to you are secretly cutting years off your life? It sounds like a plot from a psychological thriller, but modern neuroscience has just uncovered a terrifying truth. Toxic behavior from a partner, a friend, or even a parent doesn't just ruin your mood or cause emotional drama. It literally penetrates your biology, attacks your cellular health, and accelerates how fast you age. To understand how this happens, we have to look inside your brain. When you experience emotional toxicity, like gaslighting, constant criticism, or silent treatments, your brain doesn't just see it as an argument, it perceives it as a mortal threat. Your amygdala, the brain's alarm system, fires up, flooding your body with stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. In short bursts, this is fine. But when you are trapped in a toxic relationship, this flood never stops. It becomes chronic stress. And this is where the invisible damage begins. Inside every single cell of your body, you have chromosomes. At the very tips of these chromosomes are protective caps, called telomeres. Think of them like the plastic tips at the end of your shoelaces that keep them from fraying. Every time your cells divide, these telomeres get a little shorter. When they get too short, the cell dies, and you age. Nobel Prize-winning research has revealed that chronic emotional stress from toxic environments drastically accelerates this shortening process. When you are constantly walking on eggshells around someone, your telomeres, literally, erode. You are physically aging at a cellular level just by being in the same room with them. But what if this toxicity started in childhood? This is where your parenting blueprint comes in. Children raised in high-conflict or emotionally abusive homes develop a hyper-reactive nervous system. Their brains are literally wired to expect danger. As adults, this manifests as chronic anxiety, lower immune system functioning, and poor relationship habits. They either become people pleasers who tolerate abuse, or they unconsciously repeat the toxic patterns they saw as kids, damaging their own future relationships and their own biology. Now, here is the good news. Your DNA is not a fixed script, it's a living blueprint. Science shows that when you remove yourself from toxic environments and establish strict boundaries, your body begins to heal. Practices like mindfulness, surrounding yourself with deep, meaningful friendships, and healing childhood trauma can actually activate an enzyme called telomerase. This enzyme acts like a cellular repairman, rebuilding and lengthening your protective DNA caps. You can literally reverse the biological aging caused by toxic people. Protecting your peace is no longer just about your mental health. It is a matter of biological survival. Look closely at your inner circle. Are they building your ark, or are they tearing it down? If you want to master your mind, decode human behavior, and unlock your peak human potential, hit that subscribe button and join us. Welcome to the Human Ark. See you in the next video.